try it at home. It's very easy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kenzo. Today I'm going to show you how to make mango tapioca with coconut cream. So let's get started. For the ingredients, we need the following: raw tapioca, sugar, 1 cup of sliced mangoes, 600 ml of coconut cream, and the water for we need to cook the raw tapioca. To cook the tapioca, we need to put the water. Now we add the raw tapioca. Now we let it boil until it's cooked, completely cooked. While waiting for the tapioca to cook, we will make mango puree. To make the mango puree, first we add the mangoes in the blender. Then we add the 80 ml sugar in the blender. Now we blend it until the texture is a smooth puree. Okay, now we're done blending. Now we have mango puree. Now, set aside for mixing.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Our tapioca's cooked. Here I have Ate Dina to help me remove the water from the tapioca because it's very hot. Okay, now we're done draining the tapioca. Now I'll mix the coconut cream. And I'll mix for a while. And add the puree. Make sure the ball's clean. Now mix again.
One hour later.
Now it's completely mixed. I'll prepare one serving. Now you have mango, tapioca, and coconut cream. Now it's time to try our finished product. It's very yummy. You should try it at home. It's very easy. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And